Today's recipe is creamy sausage potato casserole. Okay, we're just going to start prepping our casserole, and I'm going to start with just chopping up a white onion. You could use a regular white onion or a sweet onion. And we're going to slice our peeled potatoes. I use a mandolin, but you may just, if you don't have one, just slice them very thinly. I used a russet potato for this recipe, but a yellow potato would work as well. Slicing them thin will help make them cook quicker. We're going to take our Italian sausage and we're going to brown this. I used a mild Italian sausage. You could use a spicy one if you like. You could just use regular sausage. It will change the profile of the flavor, but that's what cooking's about, experimenting. So once this is browned, we're going to drain off any excess fat. And then we're going to add our onion. And we're going to cook this until the onions become translucent. This recipe is a great for dinner. You could use this for a brunch. Alright, so now we are going to just add our mixture into a bowl. And we're going to add some sour cream. I use a full fat sour cream. And then we're going to add a can of cream of mushroom soup. And I just add the milk that we're going to add to our recipe inside the can. Give it a stir to get all the leftover cream of mushroom soup. And we'll add a bit of salt, a bit of pepper, and some shredded cheddar cheese. And again, you could use whatever cheese you choose to. It will just change a bit of the flavor. So we'll stir this up. Make sure it's well stirred. Everything's incorporated. And then we will assemble our casserole. So I have a 9 by 13 pan, and I have sprayed this, and then we're just going to put a layer of potatoes in the pan. And then we're going to add our sausage mix. So we'll add half of this mixture to our pan. And we'll spread this out evenly over the potatoes. And then we're going to add another layer on top of this of the potatoes. This really doesn't take long to cook, or actually to assemble, but cooking takes about an hour. Then we'll add the rest of our sausage mixture And then we're going to add some drizzled melted butter on top. This will help brown it up. We're going to cover this with foil, and we'll bake this in a 375-degree oven for around 45 minutes. Then you're going to take the foil off and let it cook for another 15 minutes or so until the potatoes are tender and the top is nice and brown. Let it sit for a few minutes before you serve. Enjoy! Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.